This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? First, make sure the LG TV supports screen share or miracast and that both devices use the same Wi-Fi network. On the TV, open Settings, Screen Share or Miracast so it's discoverable. On your phone, swipe to the quick panel and tap Cast, Smart View or Screen Mirroring. Once the TV appears in the list, select it. Wait for the pairing prompt. If needed, accept on the TV. This begins the real-time connection, so keep the phone nearby and unlocked. Once connected, authorize the session by accepting the prompt on the LG TV. Sometimes a 4-digit code appears. Enter it on your phone to confirm. Make sure your phone's orientation lock is off so you can choose landscape for videos or full screen for apps. If you plan to stream heavy video, move closer to the router or switch to a less congested Wi-Fi band. Also, close background apps on your phone to free CPU and avoid dropped frames or audio sync. To finish, stop casting from your phone's cast or smart view control. The TV will return to normal. If the devices fail to connect after a couple attempts, reboot both the phone and LG TV. Power cycling often clears network or service glitches. As a final troubleshooting tip, consider a wired USB-C or Lightning to HDMI adapter. It bypasses Wi-Fi and eliminates lag. This direct connection gives consistent video and audio, especially useful for presentations or competitive gaming, where latency matters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.